I got on a pink shirt. I'm doing anything for breast cancer walk. I mean, why not? Shit. You all should be doing it too. I don't understand you all guys, man. You all need to support these women. I went to a breast cancer walk. I didn't see not one dude out there. I'm the only dude out there. Titties everywhere, man. I'm talking about titties to the left, to the right. Oh, to the left, to the right. I'm right. To the left, to the right, to the left. There's titties everywhere, man. I don't understand how you all can see a woman with some nice titties in the club. You'll walk your ass, your black ass, your white ass, your Chinese ass, your Hispanic ass, your African ass, whatever the color your ass is. You'll walk, fellas, you'll walk your ass over there to talk to a woman because you saw them nice ass titties. But your goddamn lazy ass won't go walk for those titties. If you can see a chick in the club with some nice titties, you can walk over and ask her for a phone number. Motherfucker, you can walk for breast cancer month, man. That don't make no sense, man. I love sucking on titties, man. I support breast cancer month. Let me just clear this up now. I love sucking on my white titties. Don't y'all get it twisted. Man, you all gotta support breast cancer month, man. If women didn't have... Now, see, let me tell you how inconsiderate you all guys are. You see these titties because they there. We don't never miss it until it's gone. I pray that this disease is cured and we never had this problem. But if all women had to get their breasts cut off and they were walking around us like men, you all motherfuckers would be mad. You know why? Because your black ass, your white ass, Hispanic ass, your Chinese ass, African ass didn't support breast cancer month, man. Y'all motherfuckers, you all need to get your life together, man. Boy, I wish I had some loose titties. Now I'd throw them at y'all motherfucking ass.